Today, we're going to learn how to place your design on a trifold brochure mockup in Photoshop. So, let's get started. I've already prepared both the image and the design. I recommend you follow along step by step so you stay fully engaged. You'll find the download link for these resources in the description below. First of all, make a selection of the brochure. Now press Ctrl+J to duplicate the selection onto a new layer. Rename the layer Brochure. We'll also create 3 equal sections, just like in the mockup image. Now convert your design layer into a smart object. This allows you to work non-destructively and easily replace your design later. Resize the image if needed according to the background image. Now we have to divide this image into 3 parts. Here's a simple technique I use. Create 3 rectangles with different colors and place them side by side. Make sure there are no gaps between them. Hold Shift or Command. Select all 3 rectangles, align them to the top left corner, and then scale them toward the top right. This ensures all 3 sections are equal in size. Next, press Ctrl/Command+R to enable rulers. Or go to View. Select Guides. Choose New Guide. Select a vertical guide and click OK. Drag the guide from the left and place it between the rectangles. Now create another guide and place it between the remaining rectangles. Once the guides are set, you can delete the rectangles. Select the design layer. Go to Edit Perspective Warp. This is the key tool for adjusting perspective. Create a mesh over the design. The partition guides are very important here. They help maintain accurate folds. There's also a helpful snapping feature. When placing sections side by side, they snap together automatically. Make sure all points stay within the design area. Reduce the opacity of the design layer. In the top menu, click Warp and start adjusting the points to match the perspective of the brochure. Take your time to get it right. Once done, click the check mark and bring the opacity back to 100%. Now we don't need the guides anymore. Go to View, select Guides, choose Clear Guides. Now your design fits the perspective, but it still lacks realism. To fix that, Change the layer blend mode to multiply. Now select the layer in which we made the selection of only the brochure without the background. Press Ctrl+J twice to make 2 copies of this layer. Rename the first duplicated layer Shadow and the other Light. Move Shadow and Light layer above all layers. Hide them temporarily. Now right-click on the design layer and select Create Clipping Mask so it clips to the brochure layer below. This ensures the design fits perfectly within the brochure area and hides everything outside it. Now unhide the shadow layer. Change the blend mode from normal to multiply. This is perfect. We need to make the shadows even darker so we can later control them according to the image, because different images require different amounts of shadows and highlights. So let's go ahead and create a Curves Adjustment layer by clicking on the Adjustment Layer icon and choosing Curves. We only want to limit the curves to the shadow layer, so click on the Create Clipping Mask button. In Curves, pull the curve down slightly. It will look dark for now, but we can adjust it later according to the design. Now, let's turn on the light layer. Choose a blend mode that brightens the image, such as Screen or any blend mode in the Lighten group. Let's change the blend mode from Normal to Screen. But it's very bright right now, so how do we control it? You don't want to brighten the shadows, so click on the Adjustment Layer icon again and choose Curves. We only want to limit the curves to the light layer, so click on the Create Clipping Mask button. Now create a point on the right-hand side of the curve to maintain the highlights. Then create another point on the left-hand side and drag it downward slightly. This makes sure that only the brighter areas are enhanced. That looks much better. Now I think the light effect is a little too strong, so let's decrease the opacity of the light layer to 25% and the opacity of the shadow layer to 50%. This looks perfect. Finally, select both the shadow and light layers and group them using Ctrl+G. Rename the group Light and Shadow. Your Trifold Brochure Mockup is now ready. Practice this technique, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.